Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Thursday, January 30th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make money working from home in 2025. Now, this is going to be based on just what I do. I'm involved in the make money online space, but the same principles apply basically to anything that you're doing if you're online trying to make money, offering a product or a service. So the first thing that you need is a product or a service that you are passionate about that you can share with other people, okay? And once you have that, then you want to put systems in place that will do all the selling and telling for you. And once you have systems in place, then your only focus is to drive traffic to those systems. All right, so what I've done and what I do is I have 4 opportunities right now that I'm sharing with other people, okay? 2 of them are direct mail opportunities. And when you join these direct mail opportunities, you get leads, all right? The product that you purchase are leads. And these leads are opportunity seekers. So these are people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income from home. And then what I do is I go out and I use those leads and I send letters out to these leads with my opportunities in them. All right, that's what I do for offline marketing. And then for my online marketing, I just make videos like I'm doing right now. And I share my stuff on YouTube and Facebook. And I can tell you that out of all the years that I've been doing this, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years, and I've been working for myself full time since 2018. And I can honestly tell you that this is the easiest way that I've ever made money online. All right? Because with all of my programs, you can leverage other people's efforts. Okay? So you're going to get fast start bonuses when you refer somebody to all of my programs, but then you can build a residual income on the backside of these opportunities when your referrals start referring people. And it's just a win-win situation for everybody. All right? It just flat out works. So you want to find a product or service, you want to set up systems, and then you want to drive traffic to the systems. So the systems that I have in place, they're all capture pages, and it's a funnel system. So it doesn't matter if the person gets a postcard in the mail, right? These are the postcards that I put into my letters that I send out. These are for my 2 direct mail opportunities. I also send out drop cards, $100 drop cards with my 2 other opportunities, and then I throw in a business card, joinruss.com business card. Okay? So it doesn't matter if the person sees my videos with my links in it, or if they receive a letter from me with my postcards, all of the places go to the same spot. They go to systems, all right? All the links that I share with people, whether online or offline, go to systems. And then the systems do the selling and telling for me. So people go to my systems, they enter their email and their name and email, and then they're taken over to sales pages where there's more information about each of the opportunities. And then if they decide to join up right away, they can do that. And if they don't join right away, there's other systems. You know, we have an autoresponder system in all my programs. And then in some of my programs, they even do follow-ups through email, text messages, and phone calls. The company will do that, okay? So even if the person who goes to your links and enters their information into the capture pages don't join right away, the systems will follow up with them automatically. So these systems work even when I'm sleeping. And that's what you want to do. That's the easiest way how you can make money working from home in 2025. You find a product or service, you set up your systems, and you drive traffic to your systems. Okay? And if you have stuff in place already, another thing I recommend doing is getting a domain name, especially if you have more than one opportunity. Get a domain name and forward that to a Linktree page with all of your opportunities on it. That's what I do here at joinruss.com. Okay? And then, like on my Facebook, for my Facebook cover, I have my domain name, joinruss.com. In my Facebook profile, I have joinruss.com. Join Russ is like my major domain name that I share. Okay? And then each of my programs have their own. But if you just want to do something like this and drive traffic to one location, you can do this as well. And then when they go to Join Russ, they'll see all my programs, and no matter which one they click on, it goes to the system that I have set up for that program. So this is just a really good way to do everything, all right? Because you want to target offline and online marketing. You want to do both, because with any product or service, obviously the more eyeballs that see what you're offering, the more signups you're going to get. Okay, and the more signups you get turn into more sales. So that is how I do everything. That's, you know, how you can make money working from home in 2025. It's relatively easy. It doesn't mean that you're going to make millions of dollars overnight, and I can't even guarantee you're going to make anything with the opportunities that I partake in, simply because it's based on your work ethic, and I don't know anything about you or your work ethic, but I can tell you that if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, you can get results. All right, you might even get better results than I get. There's no guarantee, but that is what I do. It flat out works. It's simple to do. If you're looking for an opportunity or more information about the programs that I'm involved with, you can go to joinruss.com, get more information right there, and check them out. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm always here to help you out, and I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.